Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, as you all know, this is a Vedic Maths series which is going on for this week, and today I'm going to show you a trick of doing 3-digit multiplication in matter of seconds. Now if you remember, in the 2-digit multiplication we followed a pattern. The same thing will happen when you are doing a 3-digit multiplication. Here also you will follow a pattern. So the pattern goes like this. There's a straight multiplication, then there is a cross multiplication, then there is again a cross and a straight multiplication, then again a cross and then a straight multiplication. Looks too much, but trust me, this is much easier and accurate as well as faster than actually sitting down and multiplying 3-digit numbers by 3-digit numbers. Okay, so let's quickly see how are we going to do this. Okay, how are we going to follow the pattern? So now I'm going to take you an example which does not involve a carry, which is very straightforward. So you all get the hang of how to use this pattern. So 211 when multiplied by 412. Like over here, we do a straight multiplication. So 1 into 2 is 2. Then there's a cross multiplication. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into 1, that is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Then there is a cross and a straight. So 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 into 1 is 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. And then we will do also a multiplication between the middle numbers. So 1 into 1 is 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Now next is again a cross multiplication between the last two numbers. So 2 into 1 is 2 and 4 into 1 is 4. So 2 plus 4 is again 6. And lastly, a straight multiplication between the hundreds place numbers. 2 into 4 is 8. So that is how your answer turns out to be. Trust me, even with this example which did not have a carry, you wouldn't have found out this answer that quickly without using this particular method. Okay, now let's see what has happened when we do a multiplication between 322 and 123. We'll follow the same pattern, but this is an example which will have a bit of carry, not a lot, but yeah, a bit of carry. So 2 into 3 is 6. Then a cross. So 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 into 2 is 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So 0 becomes a part of our answer. 1 remains as it is. Then there is a cross and a straight multiplication. So 3 into 3 is 9 and 1 into 2 is 2 and 2 into 2 is 4. So basically we get 16 as our next answer. So here also 6 will be taken as a part of our answer. 1 will remain as it is. Now there is again a cross. So 3 into 2 is 6 and 2 into 1 is 2. So 6 and 2 we get 9. And lastly, we do a straight multiplication. So 3 into 1 is 3. So I hope the concept of carry is understood very well. Please understand the concept of carry remains the same in both the multiplications, in 2-digit as well as in 3-digit. The only difference which is happening is the pattern. Okay, and students, do not forget, at the end of the video I am going to put up a sum and you will solve those sums and put the answer in the comment section, but while solving you will use this particular pattern only. The reason for doing so I have already explained is that so that your mind knows how to use this pattern very well. Okay, I will look at your answers and let you know whether you are right or wrong. Okay, now let's do another multiplication and see how does this work. 721 multiplied by 832. So 1 into 2 is 2. So that comes very directly. So 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 into 1 is 3. So we just 4 plus 3 is 7. So I'm going to write it directly. 2 into 7 is 40. And 8 into 1 is 8. 2 into 3 is 6. So we get 28. So 8 becomes our part of the answer and 2 remains as it is. Then again a cross multiplication. 7 into 3 is 21. 8 into 2 is 16. So we get that as 9 and 39. So we take 9 over here and 3 remains as it is. Now the next is again a straight multiplication. So 5 into 7 into 8 is 56. When you add 3 to 8, you get 59. So 59 comes directly because after that there is no multiplication needed, or the pattern we can say it ends. Okay. So the final answer is 599,872. I hope this is very much clear to everyone. Okay. Please understand the pattern is pretty similar to the two-digit multiplication where there is a straight and a cross. Okay. The only difference over here is a straight and a cross is done first. Then again a straight and a cross is happening. Only in between there is a straight cross as well as a straight multiplication. That is the only simple difference between the kind of multiplications we have been doing. Okay, now let's do one more. 5 to 3 into 2 to 1. Let's see what happens. So there is a straight multiplication, that is 3. 1 into 2 is 2 and 2 into 3 is 6. So that gets you 8. Then 5 into 1 is 5. 2 into 3 is 6. So 5 and 6. Then 2 into 2, which is 4. So you get 15 when you add all of this. 5 becomes the part of your answer and 1 is remaining as it is. 5 into 2 is 10 and 2 into 2 is 4. So again you get 15. So again 5 remains a part of your answer, and then this 1 will be remaining and this will get added to what? 5 into 2, that is 10. So 10 plus 1 gets you 11. So that's your final answer. I hope this trick is now very clear to everyone. Okay. Also students, do not forget that if you want a hard copy of all these tricks or a book to refer to understand Vedic Maths better, then the link of that book is available in the description. Okay. You can go ahead and check that out. And without fail, do these multiplication techniques at least for 10 to 12 sums, because after you do that, this is something which will be imbibed in your brain. After that you will never sit and do the regular multiplication method. You will quickly do this and get the answer. So now the question for the day is 624 into 327. Please do the multiplication using this pattern and let me know the answer in the comment section. Thank you.